Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ribadoli 894. Today I am going to take you a beautiful place. I am going to share with you guys. I hope you like that. It is a very beautiful place, but I cannot take my dogs. Let's go. Now I am going. Let's go. You will like the place. It's beautiful, but I have to go slowly without my dogs. I have to go now, so they are just waiting where mama is going. So I'll show you the beautiful place. Let's go. Yahoo, let's go. So beautiful. These all are wildflower. It's so beautiful. Can you see? Oh my god, it's make me so happy. That's why I want to share with you guys. How nice. Oh, beautiful. I love to see these. I'm watching from my balcony every day. They all are wildflowers. Beautiful. Oh my god, I really love this. Everywhere beautifully they are blooming in their own way. Summer breeze is blowing along with them. They are swinging, dancing. Oh my god, so nice. Can you see, guys? Some people are throwing some plastic. So beautiful. These are another wildflowers, white. So beautiful. So beautiful. They are wildflowers and windy days and looking so beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? I don't know the name. I just call wildflower. All are very beautiful. These purple flowers make me feel so happy whenever I see these. So beautiful. I hope you like these beautiful flowers. Jasmine is here. It's make me so happy, and it's very nice to relax in the afternoon here. Wow, beautiful. I hope you like. That's why I just came here to share with you guys. I can't stop taking my eyes. I have to take video. And these are my flowers. They just blooming. These are my flower, my own flower. These all are my own plants. I love them so much. They are going to blooming very soon. I hope you like this. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you. Have a nice enjoy. Bye bye.